Hi guys, magandang gabi. So, magandang araw sa inyong lahat guys. How are you all? Sharing to you this wonderful place of the Exhibition Road here in Bahrain. It's really raining guys. Look at that. I feel like I'm in the Philippines now. It's raining everywhere in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The weather forecast was right guys. Uulan talaga. It would really rain. So ayan guys, malamig ang panahon. The weather is cold. And yeah, it's raining. Look at that. It's a pure rain guys. What a blessing from the heavens above. Thank you Lord for this rain. Water is a blessing, life guys. Water is life. So I'm just taking you the wonderful view here and here because it's really raining. What's up guys? Assalamualaikum. How are you? It's really raining guys.